Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be learning what is monolithic application. A monolithic application is a single huge code base or a big software where everything is built together and runs as a single unit. Let's take an example of a banking application. Let's take an example of a banking application. In a banking application, we will be having the multiple modules. Okay, all these modules are tightly coupled and all these modules will be using a single database. Okay, so monolithic application is nothing but monolithic application will be having the multiple modules. For example, let's say here we have customer management module, account management module, transaction module, loan management module, authentication and authorization module, notification service module, reporting service module. Okay, so these are the so many modules which will be becoming a part of a single huge code base. All these modules will be putting up will be placing in a single code base, that is a NSK bank. Okay, NSK bank is having all these modules. Okay, so what come to the definition. So what is monolithic application? A monolithic application is a single huge code base where it will be having the multiple modules. All these modules are tightly coupled. All these modules are tightly coupled. All these modules are tightly coupled, and all these modules will be using a single database. Okay, all these modules will be using a single database. So that's what about the monolithic application. In the next lesson, we will be learning about the key challenges with monolithic application. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.